Okay, so I just received my The Natural Beauty Edit, the latest in beauty box for this month, like April, not May because it's only the 1st of May. And I forgot to make my edit on time, like choose my products. So these are the products they sent, and this is literally, I've just received the box and this is how it's received. So first of all, they've sent me this, which is like some sort of wet wipe. Skin Rescue Cleanse Tone Refresh XL Face and Body Cleansing Cloth. I have a feeling it's literally just a disposable wet wipe, so it's like one of my choices, so that's something I would never choose. Second of all, it's by Sukin Blemish Control Clearing Facial Wash, 20 ml size. I don't know if I would have chosen this. First of all, I don't actually have like blemish prone skin. I have dry, dehydrated, eczema prone skin. And then look, oh my god, Avene Cleanance Expert Swan Lotion. Yeah, imperfections, mild to moderate blemishes, again for spotty and like acne prone skin, for oily blemish prone skin, exactly what I just said. And it's just a tiny sample. What's the size of it? 5 mils. Again, something I wouldn't have chosen. It's a free sample. But literally, I think all 3 of them so far are like samples you can probably get for free. I'll show that one in a minute. This one, maybe not as bad. Bare Minerals Ageless Phytoretinol. There it goes. Night Concentrate. 10% Phytoretinol Night Concentrate. That's all it says. So like some sort of retinol serum. Vegan, gluten-free, which I would expect because I really would not expect there to be like flour and stuff in my beauty products. Less plastic, more clean beauty. Plant-based retinol alternative. Oh, so it's a plant-based retinol alternative. So retinol is just supposed to be like quite anti-aging and like it's supposed to like renew your skin. I think this was an extra sample. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so this was an extra sample. It's a glowing vacation skin inside this bag. Coconut coffee scrub for your body. Okay, now this box, it arrived like this, open and broken. It's by Sport FX, and it's just a coconut lip balm, and it's shaped like this kind of like mushroom thing. Throw that. And they've sent me this, I think this is the only makeup product. Excuse me, I'm very clumsy, I know. Effect Charming Pigment Loose Eyeshadow in the shade something. I know 149. So just give me 2 seconds because I'm holding the phone in one hand and I'm gonna take it out with the other. Okay, so Effect Loose Pigment. Oh, okay, so the color is okay. Okay, it has tape on it. It's basically like a peachy golden color, so that's okay. It's quite usable. So basically that was the box. Technically I wouldn't have really chosen any of these products. The box itself arrived ripped as well, if you can see that. And like some of the products, as I showed you, the boxes were like damaged, so not really happy. I would not have really chosen any of these, and yeah, so it's just a lesson every single time that make your choices if you're gonna subscribe to Latest in Beauty, because they're gonna send you stuff that is no good for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll try and do some more videos. And take care, and let me know what sort of videos you want to see, like just leave in the comments or whatever. So take care, bye.